This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Daignault. Lovely 2-bedroom, 2-bath split plan corner unit on the 3rd floor. Kitchen west/breakfast bar and laundry room, dining area, living room with balcony. Gated community with a pool convenient to all of the shops at the avenue, Walmart, Target, dining and I-95. Basic cable included. Water included up to $65.00/tenant to pay overage. For more information or a showing, call/text Barry Taylor 321-795-7074 for more information. Review the details below or contact Christine Daignault at 321-591-3228.